Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the physical connection right and installing drivers so Desmume can see input. Plug a wired Xbox controller or pair a Bluetooth one, then install or update the official Xbox driver on Windows. On Mac OS or Linux, make sure an SDL-compliant driver or X360C wrapper is ready. Otherwise, Desmume won't map buttons correctly. Once the OS recognizes the pad, open the game controller's panel to verify inputs. This prevents confusion later when you map keys in the emulator. Now you configure Desmume so your Xbox controller maps to DS inputs. Open Config, then Control Config, pick the correct device from the drop-down, such as Xbox Controller X input or SDL device. Assign D-pad a /B/X/Y, L/R, start, select, and touch actions. Use distinct inputs for each DS screen to avoid overlap. Save the profile with a descriptive name, then load a ROM and press keys to confirm the emulator registers every control. This verification saves time. Finish by refining touch input and fixing issues. You can map a toggle button to emulate the DS stylus or use mouse emulation for precision. This matters for touch-heavy games. If you see lag, lower USB poll rate or force direct input versus X input, and try X360C as a compatibility layer. If buttons don't respond, test the controller in another program to isolate the problem, restart Desmume, and as a last resort, reinstall drivers. These steps resolve most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.